Hi guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to make Ankara Fascinator, and these are the materials we'll be using: scissors, Ankara fabric, tape roll, needle and thread, ratio, fascinator band, glue gun, lining and interfacing. The first thing you want to do is to cut out your Ankara fabric that is long enough to wrap your fascinator band, and the width of this fabric is 1 inch. So I folded the tip a bit. Then you pick your ratio. I'm just going to add a little to the tip of where we'll start to wrap this fascinator up. We are going to be using this folded part of your Ankara fabric to cover the part that is not folded, and you continue wrapping. If you want, you can add your ratio while you are wrapping. As you can see, I'm just wrapping mine without adding the ratio anymore. That's how you'll be wrapping till you get to the tip of the other side. At this point, you can cut out your excess Ankara fabric. I'm going to use ratio to finish it up. I'm just going to hold it to dry. When that is done, you're going to set it aside. Then you want to cut out another Ankara fabric. Let's measure it. This is 20 inches by 10 inches. I ironed a medium size interfacing on it. We are going to cut out a lining, same measurement, 20 inches by 10. So we are going to stitch the lining and the fabric together. That is, I'm stitching from the right side of the Ankara fabric. And we are going to turn inside out. I'm just going to cut the midpoints off. I'm going to cut the lining from the middle. So you can turn inside out from this point. After turning inside out, take it to your pressing iron and iron it flat. After ironing, you can see how flat it's laying. So now we're going to fold it to get the middle of this fabric. going to mark that middle to top. After then, we'll start folding. You just want to fold the fabric like that. So the reason for this mark is just to get where the midpoint is. And after folding, you grab your thread. You're going to tie it from that midpoint. At that time, cut out your thread. And when that is done, I want to grab another Ankara fabric. I even interfacing on it as well. This is 5 inches by 2 inches. We're just going to fold, and I'm going to make like a dot. This is what I'll be using to wrap, to cover this up. With the help of your hot glue, you're going to attach this knot to a fascinator. Just apply a bit of your glue. I'm going to hold it down to dry. You're also going to gum this part with your glue. I'm just going to hold it to dry. When it's dry, I'm going to grab the fascinator bag. I'll be gluing this from one side of the fascinator. If you like, you can glue yours to this midpoint like this. I'm gluing mine to one side of the fascinator. I'll just apply glue. So you stick them together and you wait for it to dry. When it's dry, I want to use another piece of fabric to cover all your rough work. Okay. You can see how neat it's looking now. When it's dry, and you want to grab your needle and thread, we are going to close this part. We're going to close it. So you just grab one tip to the other tip. With your needle and thread, start stitching together. And stitch this. You can as well use your sewing machine to join it together. I'm going to be stitching all the way down here. When you get to this end, tie your thread and cut it out. See, I'm also going to join this part same way I've just joined this other part. I have stitched the other side of the fascinator and see how neat and beautiful it's looking. If you have watched this video to this part and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you will notify every time I drop a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my amazing tutorial. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.